Today's episode of the Content Bebop, I'm going to show you how to update Google Chrome, which is fairly simple to do. In the top right hand corner, you want to click the three vertical dots, then go down to settings. Then on the left hand side of the screen, what you want to do is go to the About Chrome section, and Chrome here will actually let you know if it is up to date, and then if not, there will be a prompt to actually update Google Chrome. And in most cases will actually do it on its own, or it'll prompt you somewhere in this area up here. It'll in front of these three vertical dots, there'll be an update. You'll see it changes colors. It'll say update with the option to click it. Or if you want to come here to About Chrome section, I just showed you that it will start updating itself automatically once you get here. And hopefully that was helpful to some people or to someone. And that's how you update Google Chrome.